Hey everyone, welcome back to Gold Mines Review. Today we are reviewing a course, basically AI Cash Cow, a premium course that promises to take your marketing from simple to masterpiece with AI powered content. But is it really worth to upgrade, or should you just stick with the free or another course? Let's find out. I suggest you to stick till the end because if you're really serious about this particular product, we are going to review its overview, pros and cons, ratings, features, and my final verdict. So you can get a complete picture and decision about purchasing this product or not. So stay till the end. What is AI Cash Cow? AI Cash Cow is a course packed with digital tools and training built specially for marketers and business owners who rely heavily on online channels. It created by Alex Jeffreys and Mike Marin, guys with over 21 years experience in this game. That's 2 decades of direct marketing experience, so you're learning from pros, not theorists. Why you need it? Let's be real. AI is everywhere, but most people are just using it to write blogs or captions. This goes way beyond that. It's designed to help you build full AI driven marketing system like an AI game plan tailored to your business model. So if you want automation that actually works, this is built for you. There are a number of advantages in this product. These three key highlights it's worth to discuss. First one, AI content that sells. They'll teach you how to use AI generated endless high conversation content. No more writer's block. And scaling with AI, real strategies that helped their clients scale from 5 to 6 figures. Practical stuff, no fluff. And the final one, your AI employee. This one is cool. You build a virtual AI employee, you can rent it out to local business owners. Yep, that's a real thing. Imagine having a digital team member doing client work for you while you sleep. It's a different concept, right? And let's discuss about pros and cons. In pro side, you can get an authenticity made, no hype and nonsense, and real world models, examples, and case studies, not just a theory. And this product is comes with 30 days money back guarantee. If you are not feeling okay, you think this product is not good for you, you can get your money back. And in cons side, there is no live support. You have to drop a mail and wait for the reward. And another thing, there is no mentioning for lifetime access in their website and personal access. Let's discuss about pricing. Pricing wise, it's extremely affordable. A cash cow, it's a fronted version, a basic one. It's cost you $9, and another pro version is cold to sold, which having some advanced module, which cost you $27, and a digital software AI social ads cost you 27, and the final one is Force for 2, which cost you $37. Even if you grab all of them, you're still paying less than most 1 hour webinars. Overall users feedback solid. People like that simple layout, no hard sell, and how actionable the training is. For overall rating, I'm giving 4 out of 5, especially for course structures and affordability. Here I'm sharing the rating card. Just take a look. I'll keep waiting for you guys. Okay, let's talk about the final verdict. So, should you buy it if you are a new marketer or a small biz owner and don't have time or budget for high level content creation? Then, yes, this is 100% worth checking out. You are not just getting training, you're getting a system you can apply, tweak, and scale. And that's what separates it from other $9 courses. If you want to take a leap, I'll drop the link in the below. Try it out, and if you hate it, They're always the money back guarantee.